A series of tornadoes swept across eastern Colorado Saturday, causing several minor injuries and damaging motorhomes and buildings. Another spring storm brought deadly driving conditions to northern Arizona. The National Weather Service said at least 4 tornadoes hit in Yuma County, about 100 miles east of Denver, near Colorado's borders with Nebraska and Kansas. One of those twisters struck just north of the town of Ray about 6 p.m. MDT, and left 5 people with minor injuries, according to NWS Science and Operations Officer Jeremy Martin, speaking in a telephone interview from his office in Goodland, Conn. Martin said that tornado also damaged some buildings and other structures. Storm chasers reported that it traveled for about 10 miles on the ground. "We had at least 4 tornadoes in Yuma," Martin told the Associated Press. "We're still trying to get an exact number." He said that a survey team will travel to the area after daylight Sunday to get a better assessment of the storm and its damage. There were no immediate reports of injury or damage from the other 3 confirmed tornadoes in the area. Earlier in the day, officials said a tornado in Morgan County damaged about a dozen motorhomes and caused some minor injuries. Bernie Meyer, a meteorologist in the NWS office in Boulder, Colorado, said the twister near the community of Wiggins, about 65 miles northeast of Denver, was one of at least 2 in Morgan County. County Sheriff James Crone told the Denver Post most of the Colorado camper vehicles were unoccupied when the tornado hit, and everyone refused medical care. The NWS had issued alerts for people to take shelter from large hail and severe thunderstorms as the storms moved through the Front Range toward the Nebraska border. Forecasters said that the bad weather had eased by mid-evening, but severe weather was possible further east in Kansas and northern Oklahoma Sunday. Meanwhile, 2 people died and 6 others were injured in a series of weather-related traffic crashes in northern Arizona. Around 10 a.m., a vehicle rolled due to icy roads and hail on Interstate 40 near the community of Ash Fork. 2 people tried to help the occupants and were struck and killed by a commercial vehicle, authorities said. Those wrecks caused a chain reaction of at least 3 more crashes. 6 people were taken to Flagstaff Medical Center with non-life-threatening injuries. A stretch of I-40 was shut down as troopers investigated, the Arizona Department of Public Safety said.